Hi and welcome back to my channel. I've got a few of these worth the hype videos up on YouTube and particularly around Uniqlo products. Since they're quite popular, I thought today we'd talk about the Uniqlo jersey barrel trousers which I've got on. So I would definitely say they're going viral. I actually went to buy these a couple of weeks ago and they were almost completely sold out. In the UK these retail for £34.90 and they come in three different colours: off-white, navy and khaki. I've got navy, and they also come in two lengths. So they come in tall and they come in regular. It's worth noting that the tall is only available online, and that if you are shorter than the regular, Uniqlo will cut them for free. I think it takes like 24 hours. I've not actually used that service, but it seems to be a really good one. And then in terms of like their composition, they are 31% elastane, 31% elastomultisizer, something like that, and then another 31% elastomultisizer, but a recycled version, and then 7% elastane. So they do sound like they've got a bit of a stretch to them. As the name suggests, they are a barrel fit, a relaxed barrel fit I would say, which tapers in at the ankle. Online it says that they're a mid-rise, but I personally would say that they're a mid to high rise. They're definitely higher than my belly button, but then equally maybe I'm just wearing mine a bit high and other people are wearing this a little bit lower. I think sometimes it depends a little bit on your body shape, but for me I wear them a little bit higher than my belly button. They've got pockets on the hips, so kind of where you'd expect, and then also on the bum they've got like a button pocket. And in case you're wondering, they do up with a clasp and also a button and then a zip. I typically like either a button and a little like clasp, or I like a button fly, but with this I feel like this is the best fastening and it works quite well. Now the word barrel I think scares a lot of people, but I would say that these are a soft barrel, and although they have that barrel shape, it doesn't really look like you're wearing a really harsh horseshoe, which I know some other ones kind of do look like that. And I think the barrel shape on a whole is really great if you're a little bit curvy. If you're a little bit like me and you need a little bit more room around your thighs, I think barrel trousers and jeans, just barrel shape as a whole, is great for that, and I find barrel shaped trousers really comfy. Now I'm usually a UK 12 to 14. I have thicker thighs, but I have a slightly smaller waist. I went for the large. I also tried on the XL, but I just think it was a little bit too big. It was like too much fabric. One thing I will say is that I do find that the pockets pull a little bit, and I've said it's probably just because I've got a bit of a tummy, so maybe that is why, but honestly I'm not sure. Really I would like my pocket to sit completely flat, and that just isn't the case. Yeah, it doesn't bother me too much. I got the navy, but I initially went in for the off-white. I just found them a little bit see-through, and even online it does say that they're a bit sheer. I went for the regular length. Now typically I do find regular lengths a bit short on me. I'm 5'7", however I have long legs for a 5'7". I think I couldn't try on the long because I don't have them in store, and I actually think this is the perfect length for me. I think you don't want your barrel jeans so long that you're losing that shape, and I think had I got any longer it would have just looked like a normal baggy trouser, which is fine but not what I want personally. And then because they were so popular, there wasn't a ton of sizes in store. There wasn't a single small and a single medium. I think the medium would have been too small regardless, but I didn't have the option to try that on. I tried on the large, I tried on the extra large. There were also extra smalls, but that's all they had in store. So if you are tempted by them and you want that small or medium, I would say either check the stock before you go into store if you are going in purposefully, or order them online so you can kind of order a few different sizes. And I actually did go to Coal Drops Yard to buy mine in King's Cross, and I went like on a Friday morning, but I really felt like everyone in that store was in the barrel trouser section trying to buy these. Everyone was picking them up and trying them on. They are very much a hyped popular trouser at the moment, I would say. I never jumped on the cargo trouser hype just because I felt like they didn't really suit my body shape because they have like pockets and stuff. I think these, especially in the navy, and honestly I think in the khaki it would be the same sort of situation, they really have a casualness that they share with cargo trousers, but I think they're just way more flattering than cargo trousers, and I think they are just a slightly elevated vibe in comparison. They're not quite as casual, but overall I think these are a great affordable pair of trousers. I'm really looking forward to wearing them. I have worn them a lot since I've had them, but I actually want to try on a few different outfits together so I can kind of have a play with them. I do think the one thing I'm struggling with personally are shoe options. I think I'm struggling with shoe options regardless. I just think I need some new trainers, but I thought we'd try on a couple of outfits that I might potentially wear over the course of the year. So whether it be for winter or for summer with these trousers, just kind of like give myself some ideas, but hopefully give you some ideas, but also give me feedback that if you think an outfit's nice but it needs a different shoe, or you think an outfit's nice but I don't know, you think something's a bit off, let me know, because I would love your feedback. Outfit number one, hope you can see my feet, but honestly I'm not sure, but no, I think you can. This outfit is just a plain white shirt. I love this shirt, which I think is why I went for this initially, is because I feel safe here, and I always think that if I'm a bit unsure about an outfit, I like to pair it with something that I know I love, and I really do love this shirt. Like, this is a smart casual outfit, I would say. It's a shirt, the trousers aren't overly casual, and neither is the shoe, but equally it's still quite like a baggy outfit. I definitely can see myself wearing this in autumn and spring. I do think though that because I bought the navy colour, shoes are a little bit difficult because I don't think they look that good with a black pair of flats. Maybe I'll try that on in a separate outfit. So I've had to wear them with a silver pair. I do really like that. I think it's just such an easy outfit that I definitely will wear a lot, and I could just throw on any bag. Even just like this oversized one, so I feel like it's in the same family as my trousers, so that works quite well, and I really like that. I really like this outfit actually. Let me know what you think. So how I'm wearing these trousers most is with my favourite jumper. This is a Uniqlo jumper. I will link this down below. This is a men's jumper. Underneath I've got a plain white Uniqlo t-shirt as well. I've been wearing this up with a coat, or now it's kind of like starting to get warm enough to not wear a coat, but I really like this outfit. I don't always wear loafers. Sometimes I just wear a navy pair of trainers, and I really like that outfit as well. I feel like put together, but not as casual as I would maybe feel if I had a pair of jeans on. So I love this outfit. It's so cozy, it's so like comfy. This is what I would happily wear every single day. I don't think it's the most flattering, again I don't think that always matters, but I do really like this outfit. And then for the weekend, I really like this outfit. This hoodie is mine, it's not actually mine. These trainers are pretty battered, but I do like that they're navy. But I really like this outfit, and definitely one I'll be wearing a lot on the weekends. So sometimes I find hats a little bit hard, so I've kind of thrown this hat on. I don't think it doesn't work, but I'm not saying it's like the best either, so that's one option. I also just like this. I wanted to try this outfit with some black shoes and like a black top, and I think this works well. I'm not sure about my socks. Maybe I'd have to go for a different coloured pair of socks over white, I'm not sure, but I do also like this. I don't think the black and the navy looks too bad. I do think black and navy is a little bit hard to wear, so maybe this would look better with the other colour, these trousers in another colour, but I do like this outfit and I would definitely wear it. So this outfit is very much inspired by the pictures on the Uniqlo website. They've got these trousers styled with a very similar outfit. They do have similar but not exactly the same, and I do actually really like this. They have it with the shirt tucked in. Now my shirt is quite a thick one, so I'm going to try and tuck it, but I think I'm going to struggle because mine is long. I would say this doesn't work that well with my shirt, but it's like my shirt that's the issue rather than like denim shirts as a whole. But again, I do really like this. I actually really like these trousers with denim. I think they work really well. And also, if you want to wear a denim shirt and like a denim on denim is a bit much, I really like denim on denim, but sometimes I feel like, oh, like, is this a bit much? Then this is definitely a wearable alternative. Obviously with or without the jumper, with or without the t-shirt, but this sort of style I do really like. And again, as with all these outfits, I guess, really comfy. I feel like the trousers are usually what makes an outfit potentially uncomfortable, and because these are so comfy, that's just not an issue. Because of the style of these trousers, I probably wouldn't automatically pair them with a pair of heels, but I do like juxtaposition typically of like a heel with a more casual pair of trousers, and I think the shape of these, make them a little bit more casual. Still, I think that works. Maybe with a belt, I'm not sure, but I do really like that. Maybe with a red lip, but I think this works, and I think this is quite a like even a work appropriate outfit to a certain degree. Like maybe you'd need a slightly different shirt, but overall I do like this outfit. And then finally, I even think these would work very well on holiday with a pair of Birkenstocks. And then this is a Uniqlo ribbed, like built-in bra top. I've got a similar video to this about these tops as well, but I think that's just a very simple, easy, comfortable outfit, and I think this works. Again, like interesting shapes. Like I like how like tight this top is in comparison to the shape of the trousers. So definitely, again, an outfit without a doubt I'm going to be wearing quite a lot this summer, I think. And that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what outfits you like, what outfits you don't think quite work, and if you've picked up these trousers and what colour you got them in.